Meaning of fabled.
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 Fabled. The word fabled is an adjective that describes something that is legendary or mythical. It is often used to describe stories, creatures, or places that are the subject of ancient tales or legends. The use of the word fabled suggests something that is not necessarily true or real, but rather something that is steeped in the imagination and folklore of a culture or community. When we speak of a fabled place, we are conjuring up an image of a location that may not actually exist, but that has captured the imaginations of people for generations.